Think back to 2020. Toilet paper, water, hand sanitizer vanished in days. Shelves were empty, yet some items remained. Researchers found the most regretted items were affordable, not expensive. The number one item, often overlooked. Let's count down the 20 items that disappear first. Number 20, toilet paper. In 2020, it vanished overnight. Hygiene matters in emergencies, illness spreads quickly without sanitation. Toilet paper can be stored easily. In a disruption, families will trade for it rapidly. Number 19, hand sanitizer. After the first health announcements, it disappeared almost completely. It's essential during power outages and disruptions, preventing illness through proper hand hygiene. It lasts for years and fits easily into bags. Number 18, wet wipes. When running water stops, hygiene becomes crucial. Without cleaning options, skin issues arise quickly, minor issues escalate. Wet wipes are compact and budget-friendly, ideal for emergencies. Number 17, candles. Power outages make candles invaluable for light. They also positively affect morale during crises. Available at low cost, they store indefinitely. Number 16, instant coffee. Many adults rely on caffeine to function. Withdrawal worsens stress and fatigue in emergencies. Instant coffee is compact, easy to store, and boosts morale. Number 15, emergency solar blankets. Under $2 each, they retain up to 90% of body heat. Lightweight and versatile, they fit in any kit and can save lives in cold conditions. Number 14, bars of soap. Bar soap lasts for years, doesn't spill, and is space efficient. In emergencies, its ability to prevent illness becomes critical. Number 13, trash bags. Often underestimated, they offer numerous uses: ground covers, waste containment, and organizing supplies. Efficient and cheap, trash bags are invaluable during emergencies. Number 12, zip ties. These fasten items quickly without tools. Practical for various applications, they solve problems that arise unexpectedly. Number 11, cordage. Essential for tying and binding, a mix of types is crucial. Affordable supplies across multiple categories provide versatile solutions. Number 10, tape. Duct tape, electrical tape, and masking tape cover essential repair needs after stores are closed. An assortment is a small investment with high potential. Number 9, adhesives. When repairs are critical, reliable adhesives are essential. A small kit can handle a variety of repair scenarios effectively. Number 8, flashlights. Light is crucial during power outages. A mix of quality and inexpensive flashlights increases safety and offers support for those unprepared. Number 7, batteries. Many have flashlights but lack the right batteries. Stocking essential sizes ahead of time avoids disappointment during emergencies. Number 6, storm-proof matches. They work in harsh conditions, staying lit longer than standard matches. Reliable fire-starting tools are essential in crises. Number 5, lighters. Lightweight and easy to use, they provide heat, light, and cooking options. Lighters are valuable in emergencies for their versatility. Number 4, fuel. Without fuel, your preparations are ineffective. Keep a variety, including propane and firewood, to maintain cooking and heating capabilities. Number 3, bandages and medical tape. Injuries increase in emergencies. A well-stocked kit is vital for home care. Basic supplies prevent complications from untreated wounds. Number 2, bleach. It disinfects surfaces and can purify water in emergencies. Cost-effective and long-lasting, it's essential for maintaining hygiene. Number 1. Spices and seasonings. They enhance flavor in monotonous meals common in crises, preventing morale decline. Cheap and storing easily, they are highly sought after in emergencies. These items, all under $5, are essential for preparedness. A few added to your routine shopping builds an effective stockpile. When emergencies strike, your preparations can make a significant difference. What will you add to your cart next?